Lavish team experimenting with changes in the squad. This time they will go through for the run. Gets it. First run on the board. One run without any loss. Now Manav is on strike. Dot ball, well bowled Sanju Samson. Sanju Samson is a very good bowler for the Lavish team. Likes to bowl in the middle, but today opened the bowling proceedings for the Lavish. Another beauty, another dot ball, wicket to wicket, good line, good length, making the batsman, is keeping the batsman in a guessing. Last two balls remaining to complete over number one without any loss. Play return to offside, straight to the fielder, looks for the single. Manav off the mark. Manav opens his account with that single. Both openers, first Tanish, now Manav. Both openers opens their account with a single each. Last ball remaining to complete over number one. Another single to finish the over number one after 1 over 3 run without any loss. Good shot, straight to the man at extra cover, directed and gone. Unfortunately. Jainam comes up to the middle, very good throw from the man at extra cover. Direct hit. Direct hits are always dangerous. Direct hit. Chetan, he's on his way. It takes the aerial road, clears the infield comfortably. Ball running away to the boundaries. That go all the way, and it does. First boundary and a welcome boundary. The boundary sponsored by Bharat Auto Spares Private Limited. Again want to play that one to the onside. First time we played that one over extra cover fielder side. Now want to play to the onside. The ball didn't come onto the bat. Good comeback by Chetan. The full toss straight to the wicket keeper. No run again. The batsman played it a little too early. Tanish. Last 2 balls remaining to complete over number 2. Pulls that one to the onside. Is there any protection? Yes, it is. Another single. 8 runs for the loss of 1 wicket. Last ball remaining to complete over number 2. Chetan so far conceded 5 runs in his first over. Attempting for the reverse sweep, played it well, but there is a fielder. Single to finish the over after 2 over, 9 runs for the loss of 1 wicket. 3rd over to go in the batting power play, and this is the last over in the mandatory batting power play. Two overs gone, 9 for 1. Hardik. So Hardik, new bowler, introduced into the attack. Another young man. Good shot down the ground, man at mid-off, who will cut it off. Good fielding, basic fielding. It's a Shailesh Sallu, the experienced man. Any youngster watching how to field. This is a perfect example. Bent his knee, put his body behind the ball. That's up in the air. I don't think that will carry to the fielder. That takes a single. 11 for 1. 1 for 1. 3rd over in progress. Good shot, straight to the fielder. Even though they will go through for the run as they played the shot. Another run, 12 for 1. 2.2 overs. Slide down the right side, wide ball, extra run to the total. Levis team experimenting today with the bowlers. Edge. No. Looks like there is a definite sound. Might be ball hitting the bat hitting the ground on the way through. Last 2 more balls to go to complete this mandatory batting power play. Edge, in fact, in the air, but this is the fielder and the bat for the couple. In fact, the ball went all the way. Yes, it is. The boundary signal by the umpire, the sponsor of that boundary. puts the turn up to the onside. This will running away to the boundary. There is a man in the deep. Back-to-back boundaries, consecutive boundaries. This is very good batting. First behind the wicket-keeper, now towards the deep square leg region. 2 ball, 2 boundaries. Bobby team looking good at the moment. 22 for 1 after 3 overs, mandatory power play completed. Niket is the new bowler. 3 overs gone, 22 for 1. Boundary sponsored by Bharat Auto Spares Private Limited. Niket comes to bowl. He is bowling to Tanish. Low full toss, banged it, that one down to the onside. There is a man, they easily back for the second. It's a couple of runs to the total. The runs are beginning to come for the Bobby Omi team due to the inexperience young bowlers. Good shot. Catches the call. Is that carry? It doesn't. Another single. 25 for 1. 3.2 overs. Magic ball. The sponsor of that magic ball, Cherry Blossom.
नहीं ले
बढ़िया है दो बॉल अच्छा है एक ओवर तो देना एक बॉल पे दे
It's a magic ball. Magic ball means always it's a free ball. Attempting for the reverse sweep, not connected properly, even though ball running away to the boundary. They easily back for the couple. 2 runs to the total. Bobby team batting well at the moment. A nice little partnership developing in between Tanish and Jainam. White ball, extra run. Fourth over, 3.4 over, 28 for 1. Last 2 balls remaining to complete over number 4. Good shot, straight on the ground. There is a fielder. It's a Vivek Jain.
बॉलिंग है एलसीडी यार स्विंग हो रहा है
He is like a wall. in the fielding department.
Bowling yaar.
For the Levis team, Vivek Jain. Last ball remaining. Played that one to the onside. This is very good shot. One bounce over the rope. The boundary signal by the umpire and the boundary sponsored by Bharat Auto Sports Limited. Bowler. Chetan back into the attack after 4 overs, 33 for 1. Fifth over to go. Good run rate, 8.25 current run rate. He's on to second over, Chetan. Want to play the reverse shot, ball doesn't come out of the bat, good length ball, beats the bat straight to the wicket keeper. Fifth over in progress, 33 for 1. Coldy, chilly, wind is blowing across the ground. Full toss. Wait for the umpire signal. No ball. Above was tight. Yes, it is.
चेतन फालतू क्यों
Full toss above was tight. Now the free hit. Free hit. Good chance for the batsman to go for the big shot. Oh, it's a dot ball. Very good comeback by Chetan. Length ball just around off in middle.
ए पकड़ो यार बहुत बोल्ड हो रहा
इधर दे. Good shot in the air. I think just landed in front of the bowler. 1 run to the total.
कम ऑन संजू का अटेम्प्ट तो करनी है एटलीस्ट
36 for 1, 4.3 overs.
बॉलिंग चेतन यार शाबाश यार
Chetan is on to his second over. Considered, in fact, Chetan Jain, I beg your pardon, not Nahar. Well played, down the ground.
फील्डेड
Nicely taken. Last two more balls to go to complete over number 5. 37 for 1. Good going at the moment for the Bobby team. Well, compared to the last league matches. Played miss. They want the run. Wait for the umpire signal. Go through for the quick single. Last ball remaining to complete over number 5. 38 for 1. This is a nice little partnership developing in between Jainam and Tanish. Full toss. There is a fielder.
ओए हटाओ चेतन
And that's a boundary. Boundary to end the over. Boundary sponsored by Bharat Aerospace Private Limited.
Start next over.
हमें सेमीफाइनल फर्स्ट सेमीफाइनल कल है कल है परसों
30.
फाइनल है ना 30 को 1 तारीख को है फाइनल
So 5 overs gone, 42 for 1. Another 5 overs remaining. They are scoring more than 8 runs per over. Really good going at the moment for the Bobby Army. They won the toss, selected to bat first. They are batting well at the moment as the captain makes it bat first.
कम ऑन एनसीडी बॉलिंग है यार ए साइड रख बस ए साइड
Looks like Niket is the bowler.
जेनम का फॉर्म नहीं है
इधर आए तो फ्रंट बॉल
पर जेनम का फॉर्म नहीं है जेनम का फॉर्म नहीं है ना
So Niket comes to bowl the second over of his spell from the grand stage end. The batsman reached out on the time. This could be tight, not tight enough. The bowler can't gather the ball cleanly. 1 run to the total.
फ्रंट अंपायर
Oh, make some room way outside the off stump. That is going all along the ground to the boundary. Very good shot. The boundary is sponsored by Bharat Aerospace Private Limited. Jaina moves on to 23 from 13. Tanish is on 19 from 17. Very good partnership this is for the second wicket. Want to play the same shot? It's a dot ball.
यार स्विंग हो रहा है पीछे से
Straight to the man at mid-off. Chetan is the man.
ऑन मार कीपर
And the back for the couple. Oh, directed. They needed a couple of runs to the total.
कम ऑन यार एनसीडी कम ऑन बॉय अच्छा है बॉलिंग यही रख
Lovely shots to the mid-off. Another misfield. Chetan is the culprit. He made a totally mess of it and that went all the way to the boundary. Boundary sponsored by Bharat Aerospace Private Limited. That brings 50 runs on the board for the Bobby Army.
सही में जाता क्या हुआ
Good shot. Takes the aerial route. Won't go all the way. One bounce over the rope. Another boundary. Back-to-back boundaries. The boundary sponsored by Bharat Aerospace Private Limited. for the loss of 1 wicket. Bowler name? Hardik will bowl the over number 2. The back for the second. Can they push back for the third? Yes, they do. The back for the third run. 3 runs added to the total. This is incredible running.
बॉलिंग दे दिया बैक टू बैक हो गया
Good shot, straight on the ground. One bouncing over the rope. What a shot this is. Safe place to be play. The boundary. Down the leg side, there is a man in the deep. Can he cuts it off? One taken. The back for the second. Can they push back for the third? No, they don't. This time they settle for a couple. Slight of overthrow, but only 2 runs. 66 for 1. 6.3 overs. Pretty good going for the Bobby Omi. Oh, lovely shot through the onside. There is a man, and looks like he has taken in the deep. Second wicket goes down. The partnership has been broken. Jainam departs after scoring 19 runs, 39 runs in 19 balls. Catch कौन पकड़े?
हाँ, शैलेश.
So wicket for Hardik. 66 for 2. Last 2 balls remaining. Again he takes the route. Little. There is a man at long on. 1 run taken. Ayush opens his account with that single.
Fielded, yaar.
Last ball to go to complete over number 7. It's a 67 for 2. More than a 60 run partnership in between Tanish and Jainam that has been broken. Played it on the onside premeditatedly, just walked across the stumps, gets 1 run. Single to finish the over after 7 overs, 68 for 2. Vivek Jain into the attack. Straight away starts off with a dot ball. Dot ball.
Bowling Vivo.
Lovely shot through the extra cover. There is a man in the deep. In the back for the second. This could be tight. Not tight enough. Couple of runs to the total. Very good running in between the wicket. 70 for 2, 7.2 overs. Vivek Jain bowling the first over of his spell at the moment. Good shot again in the air, 1 bounce into the hands of the fielder. Very good fielding by Chetan. Slight of overthrow. That given an extra run. 2 runs to the total.
रश तारी
Another overthrow. But only 2 runs. This time they won't go for the extra. Tanish is on 27 from 22. Oh, good dive, good dive. Is this go all the way? That's a boundary, much needed one, handy boundary. The boundary sponsored by Bharat Aerospace Private Limited. It's a Tanish who moves on to 31 in 23 balls. 76 for 2. Last 2 more balls remaining to complete over number 8. Play that one with the soft hands straight to the man at point. 1 run to the total. Last ball to go. 77 for 2. After this, another 2 overs to go. Another easy single. Single to finish the over. 8 overs completed. 78 for 2. Last 2 overs remaining. Who will bowl the penultimate over? Who will bowl the over number 9? Looks like Vishal will bowl. Normally he likes to open the bowling proceedings, Vishal, but today came little late. Good shot, that's 6, that's 6, that's massive. What a strike this is. The Spurs Private Limited. Again he goes. This time into the boundary. 10 runs with the 2 balls. Another Bharat Aerospace Private Limited boundary. Decided to put his feet on the accelerator. Why not he? Again he goes. That's 1 point into the fence. Another Bharat Aerospace Private Limited boundary. Vishal receiving runs. Oh, good ball. He saw that batsman going for everything. That's why bowled a slight slower delivery. Beats the bat straight to the wicket keeper. That's a dot ball. Already 14 runs in this over. A couple of balls to go. 92 for 2. He goes again on the onside. This time, wait for the umpire signal. That takes a single. Only 1 run. Last ball to go to complete over number 9. 93 for 2. Good score on the board, I think. Lovely shot, good connection, middle of the bat. Another single to finish the over. After 9 overs, 94 for 2. Last over to go. 9 overs completed, 94 for 2. Who will bowl the last over? Looks like Shailesh Sallu coming to the bowling mark. So Shailesh Sallu into the attack. Last over to go. 9 overs gone, 94 for 2. And this is the last over. Might be an inside edge of the bat. Goes beyond the wicket keeper. One run addition to the total. 95 is the score. 9.1 over. Current run rate at 10.36, projected score 104, anything more than 104 is the real bonus for Bobby Omi. Edge, looks like, and gone. Wicket keeper catch. प्रणय क्या वो देखो 96 for 3. Catch of the match sponsored by Team Spartan. Wicket sponsored by PM Distributor. Tanish, he's on 34, he's on strike. He need to strike big at the moment. Plain miss, well bowled, Shailesh Sallu. Out.
Yes. Bold.
Clean bowled, in fact.
Bobby.
New batsman, the icon of this tournament, the centrifugal force. Kishore Bobby comes up to the middle. 9.4 overs, 96 for 4. Last 2 balls remaining. Bobby is on strike. Well played, deep down the ground. Kishore Bobby off the mark straight away, opens his account. Best catch of the match is sponsored by Team Spartan. S start.
Come on, Vicky uncle.
Here we go. Vicky, he's on his way. Down the leg side, white ball, starts off with a wide.
Come on, uncle. Answer Avadio.
Man of the match sponsored by Ecolife, man of the series, Makarani Textiles. Play it on the onside, straight to the fielder.
Tani.
Sandeep and Vishal, the two batsmen opening the innings for the Lavish team.
Ball, jaldi. Batsman they can change.
Changes in the bowling, changes in the batting order.
Okay.
Lavish team experimenting with the changes. Couple of runs.
Take me, Vicky uncle. Umpire. Go. Go.
Played it on the onside. It takes a single, easy single.
Bowling, Vicky uncle.
Normally Vishal likes to open the bowling proceedings, but today he opened up batting with Sandeep, the wicket-keeper batsman. Sandeep is on strike. Attempting for the reverse shot, good connection. Is that goal along the way? The back for the second. Is that gone? Yes, it is. Very good throw from the fielder.
Out.
Vishal has to depart. Wicket sponsored by PM Distributor.
Filter में हाँ बोल रहे हो filter में
Very good throw from the deep.
in fact Sandeep
Looks like Sandeep is the batsman. Run out. Fielder name? Ayush. Strong man, good throwing down, good fielding, good throw. New batsman comes up to the middle at number 3,
Hello, Beckers.
Tanish.
J Janish.
Janish.
आजा. Come on. Bundle anyway.
So father bowling to son. Vicky is the father, Janish is the son. Swing and miss, well bowled. This is what experience. The father has got lot of experience, the son is inexperienced. Good shot down the ground. Straight to the fielder, takes a single.
Over.
last ball
Last ball to go to complete over number 1.
Last one. करो विक्की अंकल दाढ़ी चेंज अभी अंकल हटे अपर फ्रेंड देखो स्ट्रेट आ गया Come on,
5 for 1, last ball remaining. White ball, extra run to the total.
विक्की अंकल बॉल बॉलिंग है विक्की अंकल ब्यूटी है बोल्ड इस तो catch
Played it straight down the ground. There is a fielder at long on. Jainam is the fielder. 1 run to the total. After 1 over, 7 run for the loss of 1 wicket.
on score
sir
माया टर्निंग
Bowler.
Uncle, you.
Manav Gujjar into the attack. 98 is the target.
Come on, yaar, Manav. Left dot ball. Bowling re.
Good shot down the ground. There is a man in the deep. Man at square leg who fielded the ball. Ample time for the batsman to cross for the single.
विकेट में अंदर. जनाब थोड़ा भांडे. अक्षत भांडे.
8 for 1. 1.1 over.
आगे आओ, विकेट अंकल आगे
First
आओ.
3 overs will be the mandatory batting power play.
Come on यार मानव. ये बॉल. ये.
Pulls that one to the onside. Straight to the fielder. Very good fielding. Very good fielding inside the circle.
लवली बॉलिंग है.
Thank you, sir.
Good ball. That's a dot delivery. Still 8 for 1. Not a brisk start. Slow start by the Lavish team.
फ्रेंड विकेट आवा दे.
Played it on the onside again. There is a man. Jainam is the man at long on. Slight on his field. I don't think they will go back for the second. Just a one. Last 2 balls remaining to complete over number 2. 9 for 1.
नाइस. अंकल लाइन मत है. बॉबी अंकल. रानी माय. लिया. यो अंकल थोड़ा यू. यहाँ पे. अंकल थोड़ा राइट पे आओ. Come on यार मानो. भाई आउट ऑफ
White ball. Extra run. The score moves into the double digits.
बॉलिंग यार मानो.
With that extra.
कौन यार मानो क्या बॉल है.
Give some room and played it through the offside to the short third man region.
मानो क्या बॉल है. लवली बॉल है.
Double 1 for 1. 1-1 for the loss of 1 wicket. Last ball remaining to complete over number 2.
ये थाली से मानो.
In the air, straight back towards the bowler.
Come on Prince bowling.
2 overs completed, 11 run for the loss of 1 wicket.
Same field. Pandey nice.
Target is 98. Bobby Omi need to bowl well. Might be someone retired out. Shailesh Sallu, the new batsman, comes up to the middle.
Come on Prince guard बोल दो umpire को.
Retired out. Shailesh Sallu, the new batsman, makes his way to the middle.
Come on boy. एक डॉट बॉल.
After 2 over, 11 for 1. Now 11 for 2. Good shot. Played it. Clears the infield, looks like. Still only a single. 12 for 2. Now Shailesh Sallu is on strike. He's a very good batsman, the man in form for Lavish.
Okay. Come on यार Prince बढ़िया बॉल है. क्या बॉल है.
Appeal
Lovely
not
ball.
given by the umpire. Very good ball by Pranav Jain. Just so far 1 run in this over, 2 balls completed. This is the last over in the mandatory batting power play. Down the leg side, white ball called by the umpire, extra run to the total. Outside the red line, slightly around the base of the off stump by signal by the umpire. Not a blossoming run rate, which is under control for the Bordeaux.
Bowling, friends.
The review for the wide. Third umpire in business. We have got two reviews for each and every team playing in this tournament. If the review lost, it's lost. If the review retained, it's retained. Review for the white ball. Third umpire decision pending.
Close call.
Next match Black Caps versus
Next match, Black Caps versus United.
And I'm ready.
Played it on the onside. Good pull. And gets a boundary. Handy boundary. Something to cheer about. The boundary is sponsored by Bharat Auto Spares Private Limited. Last two balls remaining to complete this mandatory batting power play. Outside the guideline. No ball, pitching outside the pitch.
no ball +1.
Freight. Good chance for Shailesh Sallu to go for the big shot. He's yet to open his account. Already played two balls. Pretty long over this is, looks like Freight. Good shot. Oh, well fielded by Jainam. Well fielded.
Sheikh Bhaiya,
Bowling your prince. More umpire.
Chiku Bhavesh.
Last ball remaining. 21 for 2.
Bowling prince. Lovely ball yaar.
Catch it is the call. Don't carry to the man at mid-off.
Bowling red.
So 3 overs, no ball. Yes. Another Freight.
Come on, boys.
23 for 2. Freight
हाँ ये बॉल था देख
pulls it onto the inside. There is a man in the deep mid wicket. Can he catch it off? He does. Single to finish the over. After 3 overs, 24 for 2. Mandatory batting power play completed. Long over comes to an end.
इतना हटे बस यो थोड़ा टानी हटो बस यो हटा हटा
3 overs gone, 24 for 2, fourth over to go. Mahavir comes to ball.
ऊपर फ्रंट ये बोल रहे
Good shot to Mahavir. Starts off with the dot ball. 41 ball, 74 runs. Required run rate 10.83.
here you go यो
Played it down the ground, straight to deep long off. There is a fielder.
प्रिंस मार
तत्व इधर आ
ऊपर मैजिक बॉल
Good bowling, good batting by Bobby Omi so far. The captains under control.
तत्व
लिखो हटे 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 लाइन मत
ఇక్కడ నీవు డాట్ हुआ
एक सेकंड डैनी इन जा रही है
First ball dot is
एक सेकंड मुकेश भाई स्ट्रेट आओ स्ट्रेट
Magic ball. The sponsor of that magic ball, Cherry Blossom.
great cabin is same normal.
It's like a free ball.
कैच इट
Good shot, clears the infield. There is a fielder.
बॉलिंग रे मावीरा सुपर बॉल है
Just only a single. Very good fielding. Required run rate is creeping up. Now it's almost more than 11 runs per over. 39 ball, 72 runs.
माना हटा थोड़ा
Lavish team first time under pressure in this tournament.
कम ऑन यार मावीर क्या बॉल है लवली बॉल है सिक्स्थ में आता नहीं आले कम ऑन मारने स्टेडियम में कैच इट
Good shot, catches the call. Looks like taken in the deep. Vishal has to depart. Catch of the match sponsored by Team Spartan. Wicket sponsored by PM Distributor. Another breakthrough for the Bobby Omi.
क्या हुआ भैया
विशाल आउट हुआ
मैजिक बॉल
हो गया
ताने ए
Two
ताने
more balls to go.
ए तनेश
जैनम
Jainam is the catcher. Catch of the match sponsored by Team Spartan. Wicket sponsored by PM Distributor. New batsman comes up to the middle. Vivek Jain. This is the one of the very famous, the pair in form.
नंबर फ्रंट कैच इट कैच
Catches the call. Has that gone the distance? That's six. Vivek Jain off the mark with a magnificent six. Over wide long on. The 6 run sponsored by Bharat Tata Spares Private Limited.
come on मावीर
With lavish. Reverse shot, played it over the fielder's head. Has that gone all the way? It does. Back-to-back sixes, consecutive sixes for Vivek Jain. He is continuing the same innings what he has left last match.
टुडे नाइट
ओवर
टुडे नाइट
Today night actually.
Today morning.
Today morning.
Yes, today morning, early morning.
Enough score.
14 runs conceded. Expensive over comes to an end. Couple of sixes.
इधर प्रिंस विजय की
4 overs gone, 38 for 3. 36 ball to go. 60 runs needed.
प्रिंस आगे आजा
Required run rate 10 runs per over.
आगे इधर आ गया
Manav back into the attack. 36 ball, 60 runs.
रिकॉर्ड सीधा
Bobby Omi team has got the ray of hope of containing
बस बस प्रिंस इधर थोड़ा सा
Manav to Shailesh Sallu.
मान यार मानो
Down the leg side, well played to played it fine, fine indeed. That will race over to the boundary. Looks like as it is boundary signal by the umpire. The boundary is sponsored by Bharat Aerospace Private Limited. Still even Steven.
वो प्रणय आया जब फर्स्ट बॉल पे आउट हुआ. फर्स्ट बॉल पे प्रणय ने ओवर स्टार्ट करने से पहले
White ball, extra run.
बॉलिंग मानो आंसर आओ
35 ball, 55 runs.
तो करेक्ट था हमें बिल्कुल.
Now the required run rate comes down. It's 9.43 now.
बॉलिंग
Played it down the ground to the onside. One run taken. Can they push back for the second? No, they don't. They are quite happy with only a single. 34 ball, 54 runs.
एक मिनट
ಆಯ್ತು ಇಸ್ಕೊಂಬರ್ತೀವಿ
लेग में था पांडे
ಮಾತಾಡಿದ್ವಿ
एक मिनट देना हटाओ सही से
ಫೋನ್ ಹಚ್ಚಿ ಗದ್ದಲ್ದ ಮತ್ತೆ ಬಿಡಂಗಿಲ್ಲ
आमिर बाहर है वो भी अंकल हटाओ विजय अंकल मैं प्रिंस इधर आ गया विजय अंकल आप हटे रहे हो प्रिंस इधर आ गया
ಪ್ಯಾಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ
ಅಂಕಲ್ ಇವ್ರು.
ನೋಡೋಣ
ಓಕೆ, ಓಕೆ.
ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ
Again he played in indeed, fine indeed again. Another boundary. The runs are beginning to come for the Levis team. Another boundary sponsored by Bharat Aerospace Private Limited. Full toss. Put it away. Einstein with a magnificent six again. This time reached out on the time. That's a very good shot. That's a cut shot. That's a boundary. Wow, this is aggressive batting. Private Limited boundary. Very good shot. Played it nicely down the ground again. He will get another boundary. Yes, it is. Expensive over. This is another Bharat Auto Spares Private Limited boundary. 30 ball, 36 runs needed.
Right?
2 hours before you told me that first time Levis in pressure.
Before 2 hours, I told that Lavish team first time under pressure in this tournament. Now things have dramatically changed.
घर पे जाके मालूम नहीं भी जाके बाल देख
That's the specialty of Vivek Jain and Shailesh Sallu.
इधर है कब से है?
Thirty ball, 36 runs. What a dramatic turnaround in this match. It's a Jainam into the attack. Again he reached it out on the time, played it down, that one down the ground to the boundary. That's another boundary. This time Shailesh Sallu, who joins into the party. Vivek Jain, 6 ball, 30 runs, 3 sixes, 3 boundary. Amazing batting, one over that can change the complete complexion of the match.
फिर 4
विवेक मैं
देख उठा हुआ।
विवेक का देख
क्या वहाँ विकेट ले लिया?
29 ball, 32 runs.
भाई इधर पीछे ठहर के बात ना करो, उधर जाओ यार प्लीज।
Last 13 ball, 42 runs scored. Especially Vivek Jain, who is the bulk of the scorer. Amazing hitting. Played it reversely. There is a man. Will get back for the second. Couple of runs to the total. 28 ball, 30 runs. Cricket, that's why they always tell you, cricket is a game of glorious uncertainties. Things can change dramatically. Played it on the onside. just only be a single. Vivek Jain back on strike. If Vivek Jain scores half century quickly, he is the first batsman become the fastest 50 scorer in this tournament. Can he? 27 ball, 29 runs needed. Goes Biggie! That's a massive! That's six! Straight to the side screen! Another six! Six number 4 for Vivek Jain. His beauty! Well, even though he gets a single. 50-run partnership in just 15 balls. 13 balls, 50-run partnership. No ball above West strike, yes. Signal by the umpire. Free hit. 25 ball, 21 run. Good chance for Shailesh Sallu. Again he goes. This looks like it might be another six. Yes, it is. It's a reigning sixes in this World Law Cricket Ground, Ballari. Expensive over 21 runs conceded. Another Bharat Auto Spares Private Limited 6. 6 overs gone, 83 for 3. 24 ball, 15 runs needed. Vivek Jain is on strike. In the last 3 overs, 59 runs scored by Vivek Jain and Shailesh Sallu. This is amazing turnaround. It looks like to me we are watching the highlights of the match. Ayush into the attack. Goes again. Another six. Take that. Make it 5 for Vivek Jain. He moves on to 43. 9 balls only. This time not timed it well. Oh, put down.
बॉबी अंकल कैच छोड़ डाला.
Under lights are really tough to take a catch. 90 for 3. 8 runs required in 22 balls. Good shot, that's 6, another 6. Shailesh Sallu again. Another Bharat Auto Spares Private Limited 6. Just they need 2 runs in 21 balls. Played it on the onside, no run. Looks like Shailesh Sallu will take time. Last 2 more balls remaining. They need 2 runs. White ball. Scores are level. Just 1 run needed in 20 balls. Oh, good negotiation. He wants to give a strike to his partner. Vivek Jain, that's good thinking. because he need 1/6 to score fastest half century in this tournament. Oh, good negotiation, good defense. Vivek Jain back on strike. He's on 44 from 10 balls. He need 1/6. Can he score third half century in this tournament? And this is a lot faster than all. Balls. Vivek Jain is on 44. That's it. Half century for Vivek Jain. Fastest half century in just 11 balls for Vivek Jain. What an innings this is. He scored a third half century in this tournament.